many people, the grocery store can sometimes be overwhelming, and with so many aisles, products, and labels, you may not know where to begin. Good nutrition starts with smart choices in the grocery store, as cooking up healthy meals is a challenge if you don't have the right ingredients in your kitchen. Most people tend to shop for groceries without intent. It is very important to mindfully approach the way you do your grocery shopping. When you buy food with thought, you avoid making impulse purchases that rot in the fridge. You avoid buying more than you could easily store or consume, and, in addition, you'll find yourself making purchases which fit your values and turning away from mindless consumption. 5 simple tips you can use to ensure that your trips to the grocery store are as efficient and effective as possible are avoiding grocery shopping when you're hungry, shopping with a grocery list, staying to the perimeter of the grocery store and avoiding the aisles, reading nutrition labels, and planning your meals for the week so you are only buying what you need. These 5 simple strategies can have a profound impact on the food choices you make throughout the week, which will increase the likelihood of long-term success.